Okay, so we have already discussed algebraic expression, what are the variables, what are the constant, what are the operators, what are the coefficients, and how to write the algebraic expression that we have already discussed. Okay, so today we are going to discuss more about like how we can write the algebraic expression and we can just solve few questions on that. Okay. Now, for the first one, see 4 more than s. Okay, so let's say s is any variable we can considering 4 more than s. So, what we can write s plus 4. That should be the expression. Now the next one is the product of C and 7. Okay. So how to write the product? Product is nothing but the multiplication sign. Okay. So we can write the product of 7 and C. So 7 multiplied by C. Okay. So we can write only 7C or we can write 7C. Now this one is 9 less than x. So suppose we can consider one number that is x. So x minus 9, that is the third one. Okay. Now the next one is number 4. A number divided by the sum of 4 and 7. So sum of 4 and 7 is nothing but 4 plus 7 is 11. So a number divided by the sum of these two. So any number we can consider that is x divided by the sum of 4 and 7 which is 11. So we can write x divided by 11. Number 5. Twice the sum of a number plus 4. So if we just take any number, let's say a. So a number plus 4 is nothing but a plus 4 and twice the sum. So the sum is a plus 4 and we are multiplying the whole thing by 2. So twice the sum of a number and 4, that is a plus 4. Okay. So then the next sum, that is number 6. The sum of 3/4 of a number and 7. Okay. So now let us consider any number. Let's say x. So 3/4 of that number is nothing but 3 by 4 times x. 3 by 4 is nothing but the part of that number x. So we can write 3 by 4 into x of a number and 7. So finally we can just write 3x by 4 plus 7. So like this way we have to use the variables, we have to use the constant, operators and coefficients, and we can write down the algebraic expression based on the given condition. Suppose x is nothing but the variable. Okay. So now we are multiplying some constant with that variable. So 3 by 4. So that is the constant. That is the coefficient here because it is multiplied with x. 7 is the constant and plus sign is the operators. Okay, so all, like by using everything, we are writing this expression. Now the next one. 10 times our number. So let us consider any number. Let's say b. 10 times a number. So 10b, which is increased by 150. So we are going to add 150 with this 10b. Clear? So like that way we are going to write down the algebraic expression. So now we are done with the 7 statements and we have already done every expression and I have explained how to write every expression by the help of variables, coefficients and the constant. Okay. Now let us move to our next slide. Write an algebraic phrase for this situation. So let us try. Okay. A car was traveling 35 miles per hour for a number of hours. So we don't know, right? We don't know the number of hours. So let us consider the number as x. A car was traveling 35 miles in 1 hour. Okay. So in 1 hour, the car was traveling 35 miles. So therefore, in x hours, the car was traveling more than this. So it is very simple. 35 times x miles. So the answer is, the expression is 35x miles. 35x is the expression. Clear? Now let us move to the next one. Bob ran 7 times a week for a number of weeks. So one week, Bob ran 7 times. So suppose if I consider the number of weeks as x. So for x weeks, he ran 7 times x, that is 7x times. So the expression is 7x. Clear? Now for the third one, the plumber added an extra $35 to her bill. So suppose the billing amount, let us assume anything. Let's say B. Let's say $B. So he added an extra $35 to that bill. So how to write down the expression? It's very simple. We can just put a bracket, 35 plus B. Okay, now let us try the next expression. Okay, 35 fewer people came than the number expected. So suppose the expected number of people, that is, let's say x, 35 fewer people, so 35 less people attended. So how we can write? Our expectation was x and attended 35 less, so x minus 35 people attended came there. So the expression would be x minus 35. Like that way we have to calculate our algebraic expression.